G'day guys, quick video for today. So I posted a video regarding my A1 and the firmware update, and that was a rushed video. I didn't care, and I don't prepare my videos. I don't have a script. That's why I keep on making mistakes. But yeah, one of the comments I got recently from Isaac from IMWphotography, which I need to thank also for finding out how to fix this thing, is that whenever you go to your playback screen, you press playback and it shows you the photos that you have taken. This one is kind of blurry, and you see on that side there is that icon, which is the playback icon. So usually that icon is used when you're doing touchscreen, like you want to use your camera like your phone. You touch that part there and it goes back to the shooting screen. So yeah, it's functional, but the thing is, it's kind of annoying because it's at the side of your photo. And I wasn't annoyed until he mentioned it, and I was looking at it and I can see it always now. It's there. But also, I don't use my touchscreen when I'm viewing some photos on the screen of my camera. I don't zoom and touch. Yeah, those are for iPhones and everything. I don't want any fingerprints smudging on my screen. I don't even use the touchscreen for shooting, like choosing the focus point. So that thing kind of annoyed me, and yeah, I just told him that people are whinging because whenever you go to the previous screen, you can't do touch, you can't do anything to it. You can use the touch screen, so that's why Sony placed that there. And later on, he found out that if you can disable that, that's not going to be there. So you can see the whole screen, you can see the whole photo, and like, yeah, that's cool. So the way you do it is you go to the menu and you go to the lowest part, which is the briefcase menu. And then after that, you're going to go to touch panel settings. Yeah, I'll show you how. Touch panel settings, go to that. And then you go to the shooting screen. Sorry, you don't go to the shooting screen. You go to the touch panel settings, and then you go to the playback screen. And it says on here, and you can just click it and turn it off. So once you turn it off, yeah, you can see the previous screen doesn't have that thing there anymore. So yeah, you can't do any touch on it. You can't zoom and whatever, but it's for a previous screen, and I don't use it for my case. For you, if you use it, then okay, as I was editing, I found out that the audio just cut off because the thing is, I hit this microphone here. This is my SM57, which sounds so good. Yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying. I don't use the screen. I don't use the touch screen whenever I'm navigating through the menus. I don't use my touch screen to pinch and zoom. So if you use it, and then yeah, it might be helpful. You might not want having that disabled, so that's up to you. But if you're not using the touchscreen functionality of the screen, you can just disable that, and you can see the full screen. You can use the whole real estate of the screen, and that's good. Also, if I'm shooting photos and whatever, I don't use it for focus point. So yeah, that's one thing. Anyway, I'd like to thank Isaac for that, for finding out that thing and giving that information. I'm gonna give all the credit to him for finding that out. And for people who are wondering how to remove that, that's how you do it. You lose functionality of the touch, but still, you can see the full screen. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. Take care. I have nothing else to say.